If you're on the hunt for a powerful yet user-friendly CAD app for your iPad or Mac, Shapr3D might just be what you need. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive in and find out if it lives up to the hype. Shapr3D is a CAD application designed specifically for mobile devices, particularly focusing on iPad and Mac users. At its core, the app allows you to create 3D models with an intuitive interface that leverages the power of the Apple Pencil. You can sketch, extrude, and refine your designs seamlessly, which is a huge plus for those who prefer a tactile approach to CAD. The user experience is quite impressive. The app feels responsive and fluid, making it easy to navigate through various tools. One standout feature is its ability to sync across devices using iCloud, which means you can start a project on your iPad and continue working on it on your Mac. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep if they're new to CAD software. Also, there are certain advanced features that are either limited or require additional purchases, which could be a deal breaker for some. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Shapr3D offers an intuitive interface that's particularly friendly for beginners. The integration with Apple Pencil enhances the design experience, making it feel more natural than traditional mouse-based CAD programs. Additionally, the syncing feature is a major convenience for users who switch between devices. On the downside, some advanced functionalities that seasoned CAD users might expect are either missing or not as robust. Pricing can also be a concern. While the app is free to start, the subscription model for premium features might not sit well with everyone. Lastly, those who prefer a desktop-first approach may find the mobile-centric design limiting. In conclusion, Shapr3D is a fantastic choice for iPad and Mac users looking for a practical CAD solution, especially if you value mobility and ease of use. However, if you're an advanced user seeking comprehensive features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially for beginners in design.